Hello dear students, this is the revision video of class 8 and in this video I will revise about Java programs because in the half yearly examination I have noticed that many students have problems in Java program. So I would like to revise it once again so that it is clear because this chapter is very important for you and when you go to the higher classes, this Java will help you. Okay, so let us have a look here. I have created this video for you so that you can understand all the things related to this Java program. So I will start from the beginning. First, no, you will study about introduction to operators in Java because in your chapter there are many operators which is given, which has been explained, and these operators are very important. Then I will discuss about logical operators such as AND operator, logical and logical OR. Next, I will discuss a Java program to add two numbers. Simple Java program to add two numbers. And those students who are having problem in writing Java program, they will learn it very clearly. Okay, you will learn very nicely. This is the Java program which I have written from the starting. Okay, this is very simple Java program and you will learn from the starting. Now fourth, I have created a program in Java to take three numbers and print the smallest number. So I will use logical operator in this case. So first, coming to operators in Java. What are operators? Operators are special symbols that represent operations that can be carried out on variables. Variables can be X, Y, A, B, C, anything. Constant can be any digits like 5, 10, 200, 500, etc. Or expressions means mathematical expressions. And the different types of operators available in Java are arithmetic operators, increment or decrement operators, relational operators which compares two values. Okay, logical operators which is used for checking the condition, more than one condition at a time. Shift operators, bitwise operators, assignment operators, and many more. Like conditional operators, new operator, typecast operator, dot operators. Okay, so you have learned all the types of operators like arithmetic operators like plus, minus, multiply, divide, and division operator and remainder operator. And you know very well that multiplication sign is denoted by asterisk sign. In computer, there is no such type of multiplication sign. It is denoted by asterisk. Now, I will show the program for addition. Okay, I will show the simple program for addition. Okay, let me escape it. I will show simple addition of two numbers. So first of all, you have to open Java. If Java is installed in your system, you can go to a start BlueJ and click on this BlueJ. It will take a few seconds and it will open. After a few seconds, it will open. Now you have to create addition program in BlueJ and simply I am going to add two numbers. So I will take a variable x and another variable y, and in the variable z I will do the addition, or you can take any variable like a, b and c. So what you have to do after opening your project, what you have to do, you have to click on project. After opening this screen, you have to click on this project, then click on new project, because for writing program in Java, for writing program in BlueJ, first you need to create a project. So you will write the project name, okay, anything, then click on OK. And after writing the project name, you have to create the class. Click on new class option. You can click on new class option, and you have to write the class name. Anything can be the class name, like addition of two numbers, addition. And then after writing the class name, you have to click on OK. Okay, right, and then click on OK. So I have already created a class here, you can see. Now what you have to do, right click on the newly created class and click on open editor. Right click on the newly created class and click on open editor. It will take a few seconds and then it will open. Now the Java editor has opened. In this editor, many things will be written. You have to erase all the things. Again, I am telling you have to erase all the things and start writing the program from class name. What you will write? You will write public class addition. Then you give opening curly bracket. Then you will write the main function. What is the main function of Java? Public static void main string args. You see the format. You have to write capital S here, and in the same manner in which I have written. Every word, each and every word of Java program are having some meaning. Okay, public has some special meaning, static has some meaning, void has some meaning. Okay, main has some meaning. So in this way, each and every word of Java program has some special meaning. Okay, why it is main? Main means it shows the main function of Java, and every program of Java starts executing from the main function. So main function is very important. Without main function, your program will not run. Okay, so first write your class name, and inside the class name you will write the main function. Again you have to give the opening curly bracket. Now I have taken three variables. Int means integer type, variables belongs to integer data type. I have taken three variables x, y and z of the type int. Now I have taken some value in x equals to this one, y equals to this one, and inside the variable z I have added both the variables x and y, and then I have printed the value of I have printed the value inside the variable z. System dot out dot println total equals to plus z. So this z will print the output. Total equals to means this will be printed on the output screen. It will be printed total equals to and the value of z. Okay, so after writing the Java program, you have to compile it, and you can see one thing more. Each and every statement of Java program has been terminated by a semicolon. Okay, but main function has no semicolon. You keep in mind, main function has no semicolon, but these statements are having semicolon. Okay, now after writing the program, you have to click on the compile button. You can click on the compile button and you can see the message at the bottom: class compiled, no syntax errors. Now close this screen and you can right click here and click on void main string args and click OK. Now you can see the output. The program has find out the output total equals to The value of Z has been printed here. Okay. Now let us have a look at some another program. Let me close this program. Now coming to the logical operators of Java. You can see logical operators combine the result of one or more than two expressions. It combines the result of one or more than two expressions at a time. The logical expressions return 1 if the result is true, otherwise it returns 0. And the logical operators provided by Java are AND, which is known as logical AND, double ampersand sign, which is known as logical and second one is logical OR, and third one is logical NOT. So there are three types of logical operators in Java. You can see this is the logical AND. This double ampersand sign is known as logical AND. This sign is known as logical OR, and this sign is known as logical NOT. So let us have a look how you can use logical operator in a program. Now I'm going to create a program which takes three numbers. Okay, it accepts three numbers, means three variables. I will take three variables and I will input some numbers inside that variable and print the smallest number. Means I will write a Java program to take three numbers and print the smallest number. So this can be done by using logical operators. You can see first you have to open Java. This is the shortcut menu. I will double click on it and it will open. You have to wait for a few seconds. Now from the starting I am showing you how you can create a program in Java for finding the smallest number. You have to click on the project, click on new project. You will write the project name smallest number. Don't give any space between the project name and the class name. Now you have to create a new class. Click on new class. Click on OK. Now you have to right click here, click on open editor. So this is the way how you can create the program. Now there are many things which is already written here. What you have to do, you have to erase all the things. Select all the things and click on delete button. All the things has been erased. Now what you can do, so let me erase it one by one. What you have to do, first you have to write the class name. Now I have written the program, children. You can see first I have written the class name, public class smallest, then opening curly bracket, then write the main function, public static void main string args, then again opening curly bracket. Then I have taken three variables int a, b, c, and I have initialized all the three variables with some number. Now the Java program is checking the condition if a is less than b and a is less than c. It means both the condition, it is checking both the condition, a is less than b and a is less than c. So this ampersand, double ampersand sign, this is known as logical AND. It will check both the conditions, and if both the conditions are true, it will print this statement, the smallest is plus a. Otherwise it will check this condition if b is smaller than a and b is also smaller than c. If both the conditions are true, it will print b is smallest equals to plus b. And if C is smaller than A and C is smaller than B, means again both the conditions are true. C is smaller than A and also C is smaller than B. Then it will print the smallest is plus C. So you can see how we can use logical AND operator and how you can use these types of operators in your program. Now after writing the program, you have to click on compile button, and if there is no error, your program it will print class compiled and you can run your program.